I rush me the GH. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo is the best president Ghana has ever had. Na brebu mu Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo yeden ete Ghana for warning bi. Eka asem bi kire in the 2024 general elections campaign. Asema Nana Addo kaye no ene ni nyina aba atwem afei ena John Mahama wadi afe baako ene bosumi mienu ewa aban mu nanso ensema Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo ka kire Ghana fo no John Mahama tumi amani nyina bam in just 1 and 2 months of his government. Sansem wenene masi akonya se menu nyina ye betrase na ya kirekirim na ya baibem na ya tie di yura Nana Addo kaye asema Nana Addo ka kire Ghana fo a ya ntie na emporo ene ye de ani to fom ehwe soro ehwe fom a de Nana Addo kaye ni nyina abem asa Nana Addo hyenkom asa Nana Addo no nim de ebesie na da bia ye ka se bi opanyini timidi na ni hu no eduru no akwada odini gina konwa sokora na onhu enkonkotro ho Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo to Ghana for kaye I say hey is it really and you know kwapa se Ghana for believe say John Dariga Dramani Mahama the obey in 2012 2006 2016 and then the best way of governance and I do make some examples of issues John Dariga Dramani Mahama Edbeto Ghana for Komo Nana Addo kasafa dum soho Nana Addo kasafa on payment of government workers salary a teacher for nurse for any a teacher for any tua wonka Nana Addo sign kasafa sabio the economic growth ho Nana Addo kan sembebre besabre mu no Ghana for yamfa nya asem because na enkrofo bi atu omo ho asi ho se de omo ye nyina ene se omo betwa nkontompo e de akire Ghana for se MPP aban a Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo ene yewura ba omia ne di animu omo ya akromfo enam sa asunti no asem bia na obeka bia no na Ghanaians does not take them serious but ene asem na Nana Addo kaye na Ghana for yentie no ene bibia beda di say no kre se panyini ani ehu akiri esen akwada na wabatna se na me fan chekire mu emrew na so se like video no share mame comment na me hu nchia sa so na wunya subscribe to this channel a mesrew sebo modern na subscribe na fa on saisi adoma no so se de bia me ba life a ubenya nkai bosema ba na me no nyina aka bom edi dwumadie no ayeden ahwehwe so yankone konkotie Nana Addo ne video asema okaye na yefiri ho a yedi nkomo ewofie ima me ya afre mpoma me mo akwa ba yepa yemo wuram na yentie Nana Addo asema oka kire Ghana for.
We have two people are the two leading contestants. Every decision that we make on Saturday will be one or other. The former president, the only one-term president in our history. Today, a narrative is being developed as if his period was some golden age of Ghanaian economic development, and that therefore it is on that basis that he wants to return, to continue that golden age. Oh, really? The golden age? You couldn't pay teachers training allowances? You couldn't pay nurses training allowances? Graduate Unemployment Association? 3.4% rate of growth, the slowest, the most sluggish for over a decade. We want to have to repeat that, and on top of it, of course, the killer of killers, Dumso, for 4 years. You couldn't keep the lights on. But we're told that we're now going to go into a 24-hour economy. I'm amazed by this statement. By somebody who couldn't keep the lights on for 24 hours, for 12 hours, is going to give us a 24-hour economy. With what power are we going to power this 24-hour economy when even 12 hours you can't keep the lights on? Nothing has happened to change the perception of this man. No policy, even the 24-hour policy that is being talked about. Up till now, we have not had any roadmap. Asked, what is it? So the policy is in any event a voluntary one. What does that mean? When you have a voluntary policy by a government, what kind of a policy is that? Government makes policy and the population is meant to take it as voluntary. Then it's not policy. Policy is one thing that binds all of us. But you have that, a record of failure on one side, and which was well recognized by the people of Ghana, and that is why in 2016 they refused to allow him a second term. Against an individual who has been number 2 in a government that has worked, that has delivered a considerable amount across all aspects of our national life, who is determined to build on that and add more, who is saying that he's in the position to give us the leadership that is required for our country in this fourth age of industrial revolution, the fourth industrial revolution age, which is in fact strategically, geopolitically, the most important matter confronting us as a people at this time in our history. It is important for us to look above the parapet and ask ourselves what, who, and what will be best for our country at this given time. And I have no doubt in my mind that my vice president, who was with me 8 years in opposition, this man is well prepared today to be president. And that therefore it is on that basis that he wants to return, to continue that golden age. Oh, really? The golden age? You couldn't pay teachers training allowances? You couldn't pay nurses training allowances? Graduate Unemployment Association? 3.4% rate of growth, the slowest, the most sluggish for over a decade. We want to have to repeat that, and on top of it, of course, the killer of killers, Dumso, for 4 years. You couldn't keep the lights on. But we're told that we're now going to go into a 24-hour economy. I'm amazed by this statement. By somebody who couldn't keep the lights on for 24 hours, for 12 hours, is going to give us a 24-hour economy. With what power are we going to power this 24-hour economy when even 12 hours you can't keep the lights on? Nothing has happened to change the perception of this man. No policy, even the 24-hour policy that is being talked about. Up till now, we have not had any roadmap. Asked, what is it? So the policy is in any event a voluntary one. What does that mean? When you have a voluntary policy by a government, what kind of a policy is that? Government makes policy and the population is meant to take it as voluntary. Then it's not policy. Policy is one thing that binds all of us. But you have that, a record of failure on one side, and which was well recognized by the people of Ghana, and that is why in 2016 they refused to allow him a second term.
Yes, Nana Addo danko akufo ado papa wa nuham. Abuja ba be wakwa, me nimsa wote nsem a yewura na Addo eka ye nyina. Ese sabio panyini ni akura Muko jina nsuo anim se mo to body atware nsuo a. You see setano se hwanyo. Da obeto nsuo de atware no ye sada na obete omfe yawo. Na breko na nim no eho na obete omfe se yawo ya. Mimi akakari TV mo akwa papa ho te say. Abusuafo na nado to Ghana fofo. Na nado danko akufo ado. 3 days before election. That time, Nado etia kwenye as the president. Osheda ba bonting ebe kasa chire Ghana for ebe meki some reference. Osheda ye reference ya ye key to our development. Say John Dramani Mahama bedia kwenye from 212 to 216 no. Ye hu kwanya ofa so odi say sa niema na eye botan timan kasa ye di jina so di chichiro man. Ehu kwanya ofa so ne mismanagement team omo say bibia entigana for mesremo mamon koto aba mfa makwa wei na bibia nsesa wone ho ni sune ne ban no ensesa ye even though he has gone out to be in opposition onsu ahwe because ohwe ni campaign na oye ne sabre na wani da form. Now what your man semasia, you can understand, say, on near the fufrobia, on sweanim dear fufrobia, Nyansan titrubi mamekan per section of governance in home. Entigana for a mamon kotua bam fam mano, no ba, he's going to fail the nation. Nana, wanu ham. Ghana for ye, prr, se prr. John Mama. Prr, se prr. John Mama. Na nice na see. Akwana efe na see. Obi a oto asore nyom. Na waba. Mahama is the hope. Na manfu ebuo mumu. He is the hope. Na omo tiam. He is the hope for Mother Ghana. Na manfu esa. Ye Kenya nsasemu chiremu na nado watra konwa no so pen. Obi ohun kwan John Mahama the omo ye in administration oba be di omo achi. Wa hwehwe books wa hu kwan omo fa so omo pense Ghana man. But so Ghana for say that be. Ye dey ye pe campaign the omo ye omo bo nwuma otimi bu mu. Ai. Opeso ntwi soroko otimi twi soroku. Sa party no ekwa koto abade amano. Sa bre no so na okuja tabra kwa no na mu ora ai operation hwan recruit or loot. Ai Sam George no kwase ampanyini ye be chi omunyina gum. There is no way say a minister obe yusu Land Cruiser. Na samija mfino na mu ai 24-hour economy 133 say 1333 so say 3331 na Ghana for buha yeti a teacher for a binum nkurase for hey mon trouble my na ye de ye ba no ancestral exams hey obi catch that was say wadwuma wo ye krata kire say ye professional I tell ma wa kwanya ma utimi ko even on man foforo so ekoye wadwuma o say on ma wunya sa certificate no bi na wani age e de sa so no na ya ban papa entro ni nkontompo nko a anese for alawane ya ge payment ne ba but ya ba no de ye nkonkoto na nese for pia bonten pa John Dramani Mahama chew. Mahama, we are sorry. Mahama, we are sorry. And then the young man can say, me about me, Abema. Wow, him. Tell me ye. For says you, not tell me one single implementation and not one single intervention. In Kurasifo way, a better now could you move. Or more ya, a yard the pa, at the more my Ghana. Catch them in a minute. Tell me one single thing. Hey, car kwanya John Mahama di tu ne ho asafo hini nyina. Car kwanya John Mahama di tu ne ho asafo hini so mo na mo ye. Ni nyina initiatives a ewura na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo edi gu kwai mu ansana Ghana for ye nipa bonua ye kire MPP amanyoko. But enkrofo we no omoni mu fede omoni nwu omo chese omo de they don't have any emotions ema nipa nya tinka bi se wo se menka no koremfa nkire o man ma no enkontomponko a yeto abawie ye NDC for the America equity content bi betu media no so omo akwakochi containers gold egum gold any dollars ya pack egum how omo man make it look cool like MPP for na area Ghana japa de akoba bi mi aba ma bisa ho se afe baako ene bosumi mienu nie saa gold na omo kochi yesi alaji bi ena de kogu ho gold ne dollars no ewo he fire ne bra panyini sister mi aba nanado kayo nanado de odwere Ghana man ho papa ne dwere Ghana man ho when he was a president ogusu dwere Ghana man ho even when he is not the president otu Ghana fofu se saa papa na mudi mani ato ne so na global crisis aba na omune campaign message enu mom na omudi omu campaign che se omu ye followers Ghana for so omu ntibida omu si omu ntibida na minya ba mai temi ye COVID ba ye Nanado tia adwuma ye foka abra na omu nya adwuma a teacher for nurse for all different type of workers Nanado kosu tia wonka abra 1 to 1 city amfiri wona katua so nano na me kan semwe Ghana kokwa akuafo abanye bako abanye asan aba twam akosamba. It has never happened say Ghana kokwa akuafo price of cocoa ewo world market ene na edema omo egu omo bottom enti abanye bia de akuafo so mfaso enti say one time crisis you see at the global marketer. You as a president, as a country, as a government, what do you force some from fear? What is the sinking fund and what is the use of it? So instead of you to continue paying the cocoa farmers, what you decided to do is you want to head cut them. Uchomuti. A Jimmy for now. Hey, what dear, yeba ni aba bedin komo ba me fan check akra e ma tie fo mo abedwa na ye nto a dwuma de so me ma me adwoa sewa me mo akwa ba yie pa and Richard also me che yie pa say I understand why Ghanaians compare NDC to MPP because every development in Ghana is done by Kwame Nkrumah CPP and the MPP party. NDC is a party of destroyers. They are create, loot and share party. Here me ya frame poma so che ye no so no bottom up no any one love and or the ye. Tardy or say good one day. Joseph Bua or say Mr. Mafu good evening. Here Joseph Bua or say that is my president Addo Dankwa. Nana Addo. Nana Akufo-Addo. Life, long life. And I mean carry TV so say good evening to everyone. Please share. Kwame ya frame poma say hi. Mamunyina kwaba. Now let's come back into a discussion that we were talking about. Abusia, say the near to form. na ye analyze and someone another kind of video na ye boy no more. To me, what it tells me is say, in fact, Nanado knew, and as Nanado knows, Nanado nim eni pursue John Darega Dramani Mahama Oyepa. Because and some Nanado lenki ye what the chile ye say. Wey na ejina so no ka kire Ghana for say mama nkoto aba mfa majo Mahama because saa niema num no obobo so no the principles of economic growth. Enti se papa no onye obi otimi ye saa adwuma na e kire se wo de oman ne hye ne nsem a obebo no oka ye na de no nso se nsem kika mu no that be John Mahama can send the Ghana for yam funny serious. Or come and Ghana for you say Ghana for ye nimna ye kotwaba at the Ghana share and this for sa ebedru babino. I just say ye day. Or say bedru babi yet wana a man for babe country and say or mine ya tongue. Amo mwato into biamfa ne niema na onko babi ofiri bae na die ya ne se asem ofiri John Mahama nkasa na num ne bae o enye opi ene ka share na no as still and as is confirmed Ghana for yamfa sa asem na papa ne kae no yamfa anye den anye adwuma. Na Nyankopon hono, he always give a sign of something. Ade bi ababeko so bia no. So you be a utie wankasa o senses. Yan kan say suggestions are o senses the man. So you be a brebia utia. Brebia no aya na wonko ahokyere ene ahohiahim because the wadwen the unipadua no ebe kan kire wo no say odi ye adwuma many a times it take you out of issues but yeah dear Ghana for we were lucky. You know why we were lucky because John Mahama na nkasa na num tom na oka kire yen say ye mistake na ye to abade ma and this amanyoko na Ghana man no mo beton video no e wo ha me be bo akiro no wati we are move deep into issues tie asema Mahama kan wa yento aso udeti
na me say ye yam from so na NDC transu bioma sebi ade ebesi ni say that you obi baba ka beka che say o man no ya ton nti obi amfa ne bag na mu figa na hanko ebi say obi abeto. Ebi say wo hwe say ne omo fom aban nyoma wo de konkran ni kumase ni bebi akohwe.
so what Mahama na nkasa na kan o sisi yenim na yekoto abade ma andi isi amanyoko na Yankupo hu ehu also don nkasa ko jina platform so the oka. But these things did not sound into the minds of the Ghanaian. Ya anwene yentie we na Nyankopon na ofa kwam bi so akasa de akire Ghana manma. But we refuse to listen to what God wanted to tell us through the mouth of the main man, John Darega Dramani Mahama. And ene na mi bi akire ade bi wo ha. The person inni ho nkoma ansana. Yebekọ ensama hodo no so yakoso. Ti de ma memfa comment no nto na nyina yenkan. Funny Anthony Obiri Yebo I say Mahama has forgotten that he benefit from cocoa farmers production backed his free education policy in the northern by the Kwame Nkrumah of breast memory. Tieni ye. Yes, nipa also wonsa. ekyerɛ ede wo kɔ nkwa mu no yɛmfa wo ana yɛnnane yɛni ɛma no yɛnyina yɛnim sɛ nipa ɔhyɛ aseɛ practice something a fisherman mu akɔ abapa a yɛfrɛ no free education in the history of the country yɛfrɛ no Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na ɔno ne free education no na ɛyɛ only for the northern region for nko a ɛnyɛ the whole Ghana te sɛ de Nana Addo yɛyɛ. Now according to history and the political decision of Kwame Nkrumah yɛyɛ no ɛkyerɛ sɛ because of say na northern region for mo yɛ hiafoɔ na sɛbio resources ɛnni hɔ kɛse na family abusua ahodoɔ wɔ ahokyerɛ mu nti no Kwame Nkrumah decided say emfaso a Ghana aban nya no kokoo so emfaso a Ghana aban enya firi kokoo akuafoɔ so no ɔde bi bɛyɛ dan ɛbɛkɔ northern region na ɔde ahwɛ northerners the young northerners no education free enti ɛyɛ me maame me papa me nana me nana no ma ɔmo hyɛ ase do kokoo years ago no in the country no ɛyɛ ɔmo so mfaso ne ɔmo mfifire ɛna John Daliga Dramani Mahama ɛde kɔ school ɛne na Hari no Idrisu de kɔ school Montaka Mohammed de kɔ school Mahama Yariga ɛyɛ me nana n'anim mfifire na ɔde kɔ school Northerners saa Northerners na ɛnɛ ɔmo agye the political arena na si wɔn bo no ɔmo yɛ nkorɔfoɔ bi a ɛyɛ akamfo a yɛ na yɛdɔ kokoo titiriw yɛ na nanom anim mfifire na Kwame Nkrumah agye no at the beginning ɛmɛpem Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ɛba free education bɛyɛ for every Ghanaian yɛ na nanom anim mfifire ɛna Ghana aban ɔmo aba akɔ nyinaa ɔmo de hwɛ Northerners nyinaa ɛna me ne wo kasɛe uwura office bi a wokae nipa 1-2 a by all means baako ɛyɛ seremni bisa ho sɛ die ntia it is because yɛn na nanom anim mfifire ɛna yɛde hwɛ wɔn school free John Mahama ne nkurɔfoɔ bɛmɛ na nadɔ na yɛkɔtɔ ne kookoo na ɛfa na yɛde ahwɛ Northerners bɛsɛ me na na pɛsɛ ne ba ɛnkɔ SS a agye sɛ ɔno ankasa brɛ ansana watumi de ne ba akɔ SS enti the equation was not balanced and inti ene Northerners agye every administrational positions ɛwɔ Ghana nyinaa apostle enye problem ɛyɛ normal I have no problem with that but the problem a me want to say John Mahama since 19 kwajo ho woni wo region fo nyina modi Ghana so Ghana kokoo akuafoɔ so mfaso mepemene John Mahama now papa no ye minister but enam kokoo akuafoɔ ɔmo anim mfifire dia na ɛyɛ ne papa dentino oyi Mahama firi Accra de ne kɔ Tamale ɛma ne kɔ Tamasco sɛ de bɛyɛ wontua school fees enti senka Ghana kokoo akuafoɔ ahwɛ wo school ama wanyina bedroom pempenso bi aba bɛyɛ ɔmampanyini wɔ ɔman no mu a adentia wɔ sɛ nkrɔfoɔ na ɔmo boa wo ɛma woduru baabi a waduru na wanya mpempenso a wugina yi adentia ɔmo mom ɛna wodi wɔn bɔne adentia ɔmo mom ɛna wodi wɔn bɔne that for the first time in the history of the country ɛnyɛ first time a yate kokoo so ɛwɔ global market ɛyɛ wɔn nko ara na watumi take advantage of global prices reduction so ɛde yɛ den ɛte Ghana kokoo kuafoɔ ɔmo product so Ghana kokoo kuafoɔ a ebinom adi kan agye bosia ɛnam promises ɛnkwasia promise a wɔn okwasia mpanyini atofo ɔsɛn mo promise wɔn ɛnsɛm a wɔn ankasa na ano ada 2 months ago ukojina baabi a woka kyerɛ Ghana kokoo akuafoɔ ɛna mɛno so ɛma ɔmo de ɔmo ani to bibi so ɛkɔgye bosia a mpo ne ensi ho ɛsan ka ho na brɛ duro sɛ as a leader wobɛyɛ den obeye de o promise wo mamafo a afi de watwe to e de kosi ba bi se daabi as afi we de asem we ya si mean to me nyina ho ase aban na mean defend them na mom no e wo se mo ankasa mo mere the consequences of mismanagement of Randiabe. John Darega. Eti nipa omo so wo nsa de okohu han no. Esum e na ode da won ase Mahama. Sato force na yijimifo a onwene. Sato force na enim se aban leadership enye only for to benefit, but it is also about to intervene. Listen to the word very well. It is also to intervene when there are difficulties. Mude muti say yes ya ani ana mafa mukura. Jimmy muti say yes ya ani a na mafa mukura mo ko pe bianom. Ya ane na monom. Jimmy pa. When the country say Kandie and as a leadership, presidency, only about good things and enjoyment. Who told you that? The NT nam so magana for. Ye tia tax ye be do bottom no. Enye wa ho ofentia o papa. Ebia na nyante ye. Ye nam so nti amemi kwa adwuma. Yeti me so mfaso no bi de mawas aban se jikura. Enye se bi o tentre na o gram a wo yenti o. Eye because of the responsibility ya hand over. Eye because of the responsibility of the whole country na ya paja dia hye wo nsam no. That is the reason why ye nam so ntia. Yeti me tax ya eba ne bedi wo nsam na enye wa ho ofentia. Enti tasa tax na yeti eba bedi wo nsam no. Yankeseje na fa konom konyak. Yankeseje na fa ko Dubai. Yankeseje na momfa nko to fie ni adan. We are giving that taxes to you to handle them and intervene when there is necessity at every part of the country. Namodie, ye dear wu, ye numa wu, en kwasia sem, kwasia promise na, and amodina mua. Even now, you still talk as if you are in opposition that you are campaigning. Propaganda na jimutiso. John, me can't say much no ne. When you crop for QNet government. Abain omampanyini. Aso dear that was so. Responsibility that was so. And they say, oh my makwa who hear more. I was so finding a way to support them. Temiyepa. Obi oye mampanyini papa na dwene ye adwuma. Na only what is about governance. Especially in this case of Ghana cocoa farmers for hundreds of years. Apanyi bi a wobedi Ghana so bi edi omoso mfaso bi pe no. Sene abani ahokyere ma sa foto ahodo na ewo man Ghana mu eye for in case of emergency no papa ti sa sika ne bi na fatua kokko akuafo no the right price na mu nyai ensemfo no nkyerkyeremu na you go explain tire because say abusia what I want you to understand is say Mahama administration, they do not respect cocoa farmers. Fishermen say Mahama has consistently showed that he don't regard the welfare of citizens. Whenever he has to choose between money and human, they choose money without thinking, without even thinking. COVID days, people did not work, but Nana paid salaries. If it was Mahama, even one cedi no one would have get it. I completely agree with you. Me are the okani no krepa. The okani no krepa. Because COVID in Belanado ye be a jumaya foka ma light in it and so free. People were enjoying, even though they were COVID. Now, let's come back to what I was talking about. Ghana for Munti Miyepa. The NTHS said, John Dariga Dramani Mahama, Omu Ghana Kukwa for say. There were many government institutions in the country. Omu offices, you know. Hey, economic office. Listen to me very carefully. For example, hospital, a economic infrastructure, sikako sikaba, Ministry of Health, omo ye adwuma Ministry of Health nyina no, omo ye liability, they were supposed to become a kind of what them call something like this sikaba or minor futuo. But who are who hemiti me ye na bisa wo say. Predodo saying, Enna John Dariga Mani Mahama, Bosume Swan. Oyi sika free. Finance Ministry ho, Edecom Ministry of Health, Ekotia, doctors, nurses, and no one waka utia waka. Almost all the time. Just apart from Ghana cocoa farmers, you know. Enkrofo mo aka omo ye adwuma wo man no mu nyina a omo ye adwuma ma aban bebre no omo ntumi nya adwuma bosomi nya sika dodo mfiri wo na ankasa won office emfa ntua wo no omo ankasa won salary aban na to ne bottom pe sika koka ho ade tua won ka etimi bisa se fire service for adwuma omo ye ntumi nye sika dodo mfa ntua omo ho ka na mo e Ghana ban ne te Ghana foto ye to kotua wonka nurse for doctors hospitals no ntumi nye dan en generate revenue so etimi tua workers ni nyina ka e Ghana ban na posome so a opesika foforo free ba bi koka ho de tua wonka a teacher for the issue of school fees ne why fees ni nyina chi no bosome so a schools no ntimi generate enough revenue to pay their teachers e Ghana buying the pesika so de tua a teacher for ka fire service for ma kan won asem DVRA for ntimi generate enough money to pay themselves e Ghana buying the some pesika every photo and the cost support to one emoditua woka Ghana Water Company omo ye adwuma wo nyina sika omo generate enam krono ntino bosome so a they cannot pay themselves by the job that they do e Ghana ban na pesika and the cost support to ntua wona akatua ma wo. So the question that I'm asking is say aban we say you of recognizing say Ghana for they contribute a higher percentage of our economy. Na asemasia adentie wontumi nya de krono yema da workers ni bi mfa Ghana kuafo. Na kuafo nko ade for first time in the history. Ye punish won say in this manner. John Dariga Dramani Mahama. Papa, ye bow dindo de se dimbo antimuwa etitu pieto. Pasoti miyepa. On kanche John Dariga Dramani Mahama se dimbo antimuwa etitu pieto. The odie Ghana kokwa kuafo no ense emfata. Said the Ghana buying sustaining every government institutions in the country monthly to give them their salary. No, he must to apply the same thing to the poor cocoa farmers. And yes, sir, I say John Dariga Dramani Mahama Mugana Cocoa Quiafo. Temi Yepa. So I want to take a bold step to intervene. Because we can't catch that we say leadership is not about enjoyment only. It is about also taking better pills to solve issues, to solve crises, to solve problems of your citizens. Enye Dubai krono nkwa, enye tunumua kesiye no nkwa, enye 50 packs no, enye no nkwa, enye kunyak nom, enye akweteshine nkwasiya comedy on the stage nkwa, enye presidency. Leadership is about taking responsibilities when the times are hard. Yeah. Enti John, munya inkwasiya sana monsano wo various places ne inkwasiya comedian comment ne jokes ne wane inkwasiya kekano. Na mun concentrate as real leaders in the country. Na mun conduct mo what say na do yeah. Quite another for us so team support to every worker in the country doing COVID, You have to also find the same way because the monies are available. And I can tell you, say, for a fact and to be truth. For a fact and to be truth. Sabre we ya meno kasa. Ghana kokwa kuyafo esuti ni suono. There is no one Ghana Cocoa Board worker. You know what? Kwasi ampanyi we yo tie kunyama o se friend John Dariga Dramani Mahama wakwakofa ojimi for sport commentator bi se o mera me board CEO board no. Ni Jimmy ni se ene Ghana Cocoa Board ho enipa na omo ye adwuma no omo ye two team ye wo team omo ti fie omo ye reserve team a omo na MPP aban ne aban abatwa mu ko na ye fo won adwuma Jimmy we buy and our palm of one they are receiving salaries even though they are not working and a yape and this for boys they appear more big Ghana Cocoa Board ho and now make a say upon all this crisis Ghana Cocoa Board is paying two different teams at the same time. Abraba kutifia onye juma. And they say if it is true that you can pay two teams bako and a year juma, then why can't you pay the poor cocoa farmer for hundreds of years or more support to the Ghana economy? For hundreds of years, you these politicians, Modi Papani and Anoman Enfifre, a Germanuma, Dike, a Chache, a Tuquine. I enjoy life outside country. I didn't hear for this time, you cannot support them. Huh? Randiabe, and then we're renewing the residence. Why renovation? Randiabe, a fe na otokasi akese. Randiabe, a fe na hono. Tis a frog. Na me papa, me nana, me swabia, all her lifetime, but dedicated home to be a farmer. Na ni cocoa price. On to me a full price in Guni Botomuda. Every time be a buying be dinner some fast and then. Asamasi na bibia sia matwe mo ho se akoko akuafo ahiafo no they should bury or they should carry the cross alone. It is a shame and it's very disgraceful because another never did that. In 2017 when the global cocoa prices reduced, when it came down, Addo took the responsibility to find money everywhere that he could find it to support the cocoa farmers. And to John, the promise and the promises, and kwasia promises now to opposition and now woman. And somehow can find another concerning the Ghana Cocoa Board. Even though under your time, Opuni, opuni. Na otigana cocoa border. Na chopu sika. They said ochina bini hono. Addo came in and fixed the mess that you left there. And today, the Nkukwankete Policy Initiative Government, the 24-hour propaganda political campaign mantra leader, John Dariga Dramani Mahama, automatic teacher and nursing posting system leader, propagandist, John Dariga Dramani Mahama. I will continue the agenda 111 to give job to nurses. Lies upon lies, John Dariga Dramani Mahama. We will create job. We will make you find job. The liar, John Dariga Dramani Mahama. MPP government has robbed Ghana and we are going to arrest them. Montwa Bama Mena Memra. John Dariga Dramani Mahama an intro. Papa, and I was saying, and then you are telling us, say, you don't have money to support the cocoa farmer. John Dariga, look at the number of promises that you gave. John Dariga, look at how you were able to deceive the young Ghanaian, the youth especially. Look at how you were able to convince them that you had a different version of your governance. Papa, and then, it is your time today to show what you did, what you told us that you can do. There is no more excuses. There is no more excuses. In Ghana, Koko Akuafona, Ukachira won say, Yentwa Bamau. Now you are coming to give them a higher price than what Addo was giving them. No? The cocoa workers are now waiting for that price. And there is no way you can escape from that. We will hold you accountable until you do that. Now, you see, Nana Danko Kufuor the opinion and pa. Okay, and a yantie. Or tete ho yi hu ani gu so na yampan hwe ene ne I mean ka message kakra na yento aso me fisherman said the Ghana cocoa farmers must show more fight. Government is raising $120 million to pay the first batch. Why can't they find another 70-80 million to add up and pay the rest? That's a good question. US government spending $30 million to buy sanitary pad a year, but can't support farmers with just $80 million. Imame Akuya Afro said, blessing. Good evening. Good evening to you, Imame, and you're welcome to my show. Here is RasMedia GH.com. GHTV on Facebook and on YouTube. Mbeso se bo modern na subscribe to this channel. Na fa won sasi adoma no so. Se le be am ba live obenya notification se ma ba. Sa so na meso se ja wo comment like video no ma me hu hia me pa. Na ja wo comment so na ye hu na ye nkan emfa ma. Mama ntem, but we will make sure say this another 15 minutes ya ka ya nimi. Ye be pensen sembi no na ye de akoyani. I told you something, sir. You run another car, send me to Ghana for a yanti ye. Now, during the campaign time, John Dariga Dramani Mahama and Kasankasa so sign car sembia. Yampanti ye. Because of Kasam no power say. So Biba no Katro say he want to transform Ghana in just a short period of time, few years, sir. Don't believe it. But my question is, I didn't see Ghana for yeji two mu Abra Mahama kachire and say he's coming to make Ghana a great nation in his time in office. Listen to this video. Miriam John Fitzgerald Kennedy afiri ye me makwaba ye pa. I want to say he share ya chakra. Yenti Mahama when he was promising tea.
So be ebe show bokese se afene fa obesesa Ghana. Kaje nipa no so oboa. Ebi se enye no kre. Yekohwe amanone yehwe US, Europe, UK, sa enkro na edru bebi omo edru no. Okohwe omo abakosem mu a they are about 300-400 years old. Almost near family, almost family, and said no more do baby, no more do no. Development is a process. Ye end this before ye tia sisa. Enti eba ye nhyɛ boa ye ntimi ndi so. Ye ka se ye be ma musio, ye be ma mu dwafoforo, ye be ma mu kwan, ye be twe kane ama mo.
Sawate. Now, dear Yanis, I wonder why Ghanaians did not listen and hear what this man was talking about. Also, so big country say he's going to transform the country within a shorter possible time of war. But if NDC knew all those things, Eddie, why didn't them allow the MPP to keep on doing the job? But why did Ghanaians refuse to hear these things? Abanisen and Ghana for anti say, Papa na ojina babia, or see within a shorter possible time, or be transform Ghana no, or kojina babinsoa, or see sadi na possible. But we did not hear. We were all asleep. We were all unconscious. Our minds were distracted towards emptiness. Anti-promises, lack of logical, reasonable discussions, and an agana for your needy actually. And Mahama de country, you know, said the promise is no more than my no. It is impossible to deliver them. The Ghana for your I don't say until their papa neka. And so Nanado told you, say. John Mahama Council say he's coming to implement something we call it 24-hour economy. Now, I don't know why catch though. I don't know or the implementer, the inventor, the top scholar president of the Republic. Within just a few months after being a president, ultimately implemented policy of any free education na a national covered. Say, sa promise na John Mahama catch them say obe create juma 24-hour economy no. Entrone na da because as up to I think ending of November 2024, now Mahama has not been able to come out with a direction on the policy. Direction of the policy. Panya yebe first wa yebe implement this policy no manaba be national wide something yedru November na ubisa Mahama ene nkrofo say 24-hour economy no kwan bens no mbe faso mana ye adwuma Sam George say nkonkontefo ebeton nkonkonta najo okuja tabra kwa kakawurewure a simple grass ebe kan kire wo say 24-hour economy ni say obi owo fufuo ton ebeton fufuo anacho okosami jamfi ho a obeka kire wo say obi biara odwene se 24-hour economy ni nye possible biara no sa nipa ne ye unwise odidi atem metoka kire say kwan benso na obefa amana baba ye possible he was not able to answer none of them. Sam George yebisa no bono omontumi ankyere. And now me no ka say they are in power. It's about 1 year and 2 months today. And now beside this in is a kwan benso no mbefa so 24-hour economy na ye adwuma. Still they don't have plan. And same way biano he would another danko kufuado boy na manie. O boy en kuku. O kama yeti ye. Say abanya owo intention to do what he's promising. No. Otra fie, otra ni diem, eye nhwehwemu, eprane, etoto niema, kwanya oba abefa so, no de aye saa de na oka kire ono. To bi oso oba be ya de. Ubisa se kwan ben se na obefa so aye na na odidi watem, se onimu nyansa. Ubisa ne se kwan ben se na obefa so aye o se onimu nyansa nti a wonte ase. It was a big alarm. Na ya alarm kese wo se nka yente. Na kenjin tu hum say, in fact, they lack policy direction. They what? They lack policy direction. And in Tia, and we are more than 1.5, almost 1.5 years. 24-hour economy no omo kan ho asem no. And then almost omo koye den omo kwoti ho committee bi. Say omo no be lead the policy. And adult free education obetna konwam January, September na ye adwuma. Adentia because na wadi kan yen totoye. Na wadi kan yen hihye wo akire. Na wadi kan ye research ahu kwan ye obefo so obetuma ma na ye adwuma. Na wadi kan research ahu where he is going to find fund for the free education. But then NDC is crying for free education. They don't know how they can maintain free education. And the free education are good. Free education are good. Me can't know ha. A car krabi. Ebeko for kura. Because your chance there yedi a man for sika. But then the yedi Ghana for free education no. Mahama say no. The no promises or the bebano. On to me nyana ye. It was actually the reality about John Tarega Dramani Mahama. I was like a video no. Na yenko yenim. Ni yempushi binka ho yenko yenim. Na ayasemo. I never know. Mame esake bari mame mwakwaba. We are see minim. We are see where yetimi. Hey, I see Yankupon wo. A person say we can board them and some bekun wakun.
The Ghana Statistical Services, over 1 million Ghanaians have found employment between Q1 and Q3 of 2025.
A few moments later.
Between the first and third quarters, employment increased by over 330,000 people.
If you lie, you will not go to heaven.
Joseph Bushamanti Paul. John Mahama Timidi Ntrosa. And I mean, I say, according to the Ghana Statistical Service, about 1 million people found job in 2025. Meaning, the Ghana Statistical Service, almost official page in here. I think between the first quarter and the third quarter of 2025, employment in Ghana increased by over 330,000 people. More people are working. Entity in Yepa. Say John Mahama say 1 million. And Crawford most of my research almost say 330,000. Adie way a year by December 2025, 18th of December. And a Ghana Statistical Service at the publication we ever took. But Enra John Mahama Timi Kojina Ghana for him in the name of Sona. In the name of Sona. Ekuchana no mun tro kanchire Ghana for say in 2025 1 million people ne nya adwuma ye. Na wonim de ya. Sa ankrofo e wo ho omo ye propagandist to the highest level. Sa asem we say Ghana for 1 million ne nya adwuma last year no. The majority leader and now me prepare videos bianca and then come de be me show yanka be very interesting, but unfortunately chat na cancel into me links no. The majority leader not here kunyam. About 1 week ago, and our shas here, a test waters, our parliament. Now, our shas here can say the last year, 4 million people got job. And you're just testing waters. Almost share that man, papa, and so major now bonting cash as I'm non fan to a man for team. Now, John Mahama Beka challenges your mom. But mon country and DC for say. MPP has always been the intellectual part of politics in the country. And yeah, more for. Se me na mantimi anya research na MPP ni bi wo ho be research de ade na ba poten e media be expose mo. John Mahama said that small no majority leader. Say only camera bonten no me ye de mfanchira amamfo say 2025 over 1 million Ghanaians had job. Said the beya amamfo no trim no ebeto mu say last year no nipa 1 million enenya adwuma. Said the beya anka nra yi ye papa John Dariga Dramani Mahama ai nko beka ne parliament say 1 million people nenya adwuma no enka di kan ya senke into our minds already. It can contest it. Said the papa na kan nya no kure eho ena mamu say NDC for share that and a kutia free education. And I'm a say, and the NDC for 10 years say free education is not sustainable. And yet, and that whole bonnet because they want every Ghanaian to be illiterate so that they can keep on manipulating Ghanaians. Me be man dahui. Ghana Statistical Service and a debate on the 18th of December 2025. John Mahama Ankasa say, according to Ghana Statistical Service, 1 million. Which is which? John Dariga. One so when you go say, and contompongwa. Me see they are propagandists even when they are in power. Among cannot credit. Omun kano kure enchiro my manager minya Tony yabo akwaba nana tai kwabena wonso memo akwaba fa. They will never say the truth to anyone. Always trying to lie. Always try to confuse the people. Always telling different story from the reality. That is how the NDC machinery works. Enti weya nimgwasisem kese se omampanyi timiko jina parliament. Oman dwa bredwa emredwa oman no parliament no na otumika sachire ne manma na odin tro a ente se ede chire ne manma eye nimguase and John Mahama must to resign for deceiving Ghanaians. Yento asuna yenko yanime na he ene dum sono Eura nanado kai say he cannot understand why Ghanaians believe in obia obetra konya so enkane akura po a yede yeden yede ye nyuma wantumi ama na nyina ne nan so for 4 good years na onumom na no promises say he's coming to transform the economy of the country through the energy, through the electricity power. And then abusia John Mahama ne ma kwasi broni kan fante because of doom so. Tieni ye odeti the video we.
Maka was manka. I say mole and one abutelo. Makabi dala modon pointin. So when you know what say bibi. So mama da or you mebusin da or you may uncle da or you may get a do or you wanna do. No one know what I say bibi. I made a bomb office straight to about talk. The one job a kafoka na would hey, my one bellado, hey, man of Bungo, man, I make a tone. I used to Java's man. I say, quite famous stadium, quite my book, quite my book, Lantiwati, quite famous stadium.
You see, a Becca will be a bra. Have a hammer, Awurade Yakobo, wode nkro bo ya za. Kwasi ni ene o kamfante o kamfante. Ai, o kamfante. Bra Dumso is back though. Dumso, it is fully back in the country. Amanfo nyankane anam. Enkane temiye pa. Ebe no se media agro. Enkane amanfo beda omunya bi no modam. And a mismanagement, lack of leadership quality, lack of knowledge about governance and they do so. I will say, you will another kaye. I said, don't trust Mahama, or you'll be on society. Ni sunene buying and society said your tear san or tear or didn't throw. Now, the yame there. And they say, during the SONA, John Mahama can say, government is willing to buy gold to boost our gold reserve. Dr. Bawumia, Nyankopon Eshrao, Nyankopon Eno Adini Ye, Nyankopon Ashase, Amasese Watamfo. Adanse. Back to studio.
President failed to tell the people of Ghana is that 1 year in government, he's still acting with slogans, no action. Mr. Speaker, electricity tariffs have skyrocketed and Ghanaians cannot afford electricity. We have thousands of Ghanaian youths who are, Mr. Speaker, can they be quiet and listen? Because if they misconduct themselves, we'll do the same thing to their leader. Be quiet. You can't take away my time.
Yes, Yepa, Afenyo Markins were putting down things. But so Nimcrofu were no, a banner say, oh, can't some no said they tear the Chilewana. Then they decide and they try to misbehave. And Afenyo Mom one and say, Omunya did no. As Omunya did na, it drew say, Mahama Yarige Kasa, they will make sure that he cannot talk. Now listen. The man is making a strong statement. They are back into studio. If you don't
keep quiet and listen to me, your leader cannot speak. If you don't know, I'm telling you. Mr. Speaker, thousands of Ghanaian youths were dismissed through a letter by the Chief of Staff. It's part of the state of the nation. Mr. Speaker, as we speak, there is a scandal looming. Security services recruitment, TribeNet, we know who brought that company to the ministry. Kama has a way. And we, the minority, will pursue the person and make sure there's full disclosure. Mr. Speaker, the cocoa farmers, they have reduced producer price and Erikopoku cannot be found. They don't care about cocoa farmers and they are here telling us inflation, macroeconomics, lebedi. Macroeconomics lebedi. Mr. Speaker, Galamsey continues. Ghanaians continue to suffer under this Galamsey hardship. And we expect concrete action to be taken on Galamsey. Mr. Speaker, to conclude, our elders say, give credit where credit is due. Mr. President is telling us today that some gains have been made. Those gains through this gold for reserve. Mr. Speaker, the gold for reserve policy, what they have failed to tell Ghanaians is that the Bawumia that they attack, Mr. Speaker, the Bawumia that they attack, the Bawumia that you attacked is the brainchild of this policy. Mr. Speaker, I would want to urge the government, give to Bawumia what belongs to Bawumia. Mr. Speaker, we are happy they are showing a picture trying to embarrass the former finance minister. We've seen, but very soon and very soon, let me assure you that somebody, a senior appointee who is in charge of this tribe net, would go to jail. So the one behind tribe net, the one who introduced tribe net to the ministry, who is chopping money, Mr. Speaker, we are happy you are showing. Very soon we'll bring a picture. Then you will see the one in charge of TribeNet duping innocent Ghanaians, duping their unemployed youths. There are many youth who are looking for jobs, and this TribeNet, with the connivance of an appointee of government, she will be exposed. So you continue with Kanoforiata. Soon and very soon it will be your turn. Mr. Speaker, I will conclude by saying that this side of the house, we are ready today to debate on this SONA. And by Monday, the true SONA will be revealed by the minority. By Monday, we the minority will present to the people of Ghana the true state of the nation.
In fact, it is a time some people for be presented the true state of the nation. We were maintained that. Now, Nankopon share Dr. Bawumia, and then NDC for any deal with Dr. Bawumia home a dance here. Because the gold reserve purchases program, no buy, you know. The NDC was highly condemning Dr. Bawumia for that initiative. But then NDC are buying, and a day, AD home a dance here. Ghana for Abusia. No video be about the debate and answer about the SONA, about the budget. Eko so enra ewo parliament. Yen ya kwajo opon kroma abiebi ensem bi no mani so. Yen tie sa video no sipe e ma pie phone lines na to mutumi frɛ na wa hye wadwen. Ma me sta obefra na wa frɛ because I think say it's late and I don't think say people will call. But mama yen tie video we enwi answer.
The state of the nation, no. So I will describe a message in one word. I bet
settings.
Message in your settings.
Settings in
message in your settings.
No, Obi. It is a tries to difference between labor force. No, Oman Penisi Nipa in the Juma in the last 1 year.
Also more than 1 million in the first and the third quarters of 2025.
Okay, two there.
Yes.
Bill phone lines.
Okay.
Nakase omo menye juma no mo frere no kancho.
No, na say ko je won ti so nka so obi anya juma kra.
1 million. What a film with a friend is Scarface, what that?
Scarface. I've me who posted about me share. I've seen Scarface and
Scarface. Yes. One of the first scenes. Asema opening the kitchen and bofani say, never sniff your own cook. Wow, who told idea no men numbi that.
Men numbi.
And you see, the point is that Abino now they are believing their own propaganda.
Because
public na no more.
Yeah, because unim say me busa Felix say, sa 1 million jobs, no. Me contrast here no with what the your friend is saying. Government statistician Eka within the same period, no say a little over 300,000 jobs and abe add on. But Felix said, omo the data omo AU so no, the labor force statistics Ghana Statistical Service na the buy and omo labor force na.
Oh, the obre.
Oh, that be your car and I make catch you.
Yeah, or see a labor force. Uri ja brofo ne ka ko jina kwa me nkoma second na kasa asem we bu ankofo be bu kranye bi ni.
Oh, adan.
1 million.
Also, we labor force number now. Moving from 14 million to 15 million by the end of 2024, 2025.
Pacho timinka.
Meteon kapa.
Mesi ko jina kwa me nkoma second na fa menga for na kasa asem we. Bu ankofo be bu kranye bi ni. It is not the lived experience of the people. And how Pakuja Bank Manaka says, we born for the book, Ranibini. And how could not tamale overpass, no touching Jina, or Mampenia Kuvadu, and could not say an Akasa way. Kofo boy book, Ranibini. Say 1 million.
Yeah, also 1 million. Yes. In fact, more than 1 million. In 2 quarters, first quarter and third quarter, 2025.
That's it.
Unyini.
And yes, I mean, Missouri Opa could not come and come and second Nakasa Asibuero. And Nurana may a video from Mokola Market.
Yes.
NDC 4 Moto Abama NDC Abain. Oh, Mokola Market. Could you not cast us in which room? Bomb the book, Ranibin. Obi.
Yes.
Miss Show. Abaino, Bombaino. Omaye 1 year and 2 months.
Yes.
They still have an opportunity to say propaganda and settings no be jai. See formatty the uncle for can respond to. Obi yen wa bem for 8 years o. Etori bia oti wona government statistician de data bia bro. Na so ayiro hona woka. Usi former na be se uncle for betro said they are more kekano and say to the highest degree. Me my information minister that it made the brief Breobet Nasi 2 hours. Ube see form, Ubinya Okra Bo Bebu Kranye Bini. Me yem mintanke see natural. Tis will be crow catcher man penny say, O my create a Juma 1 million, and uncle for more than 1 million any Juma. 2025 more. O my penny Miss Romizada Minsayam. Men you need that. Ombemwa simpapenia oke kanse mo soro na form no obi anim sa asem nya no kre meso de opa wo o se bonzo Philip ko gina kwa me nkoma circle na fa megaphone na kansa asem we bu akofo be bu kra nya bini.
No, but are you saying, sir, even when Felix claims, say, quote from GSS data?
Me see my information minister da. Na say Felix or minister for government communication. Felix me ni apa no me mami krum. Ene ni mami krum ye baako. Ye nyine fi abra se buku amankese me mami krum ene ni district ye baako. Me ni apa no Felix Pachifosu me kodu ba bi na nkofo obo na meje no me nua no. Me nua no. Me catch Minia Felix say, sir, data na Ghana Statistical Service for their brom say inflation do 3.8, nipa 1 million nenye jumane on tungu non si fem. Me information minister o. The graph sheet baby, no ma draw line and then cost rosro. Now so abejina bontina kika say nipa 1 million jobs have been created. Si form na hade. I don't say they are muki catcher on the Akikano. Any for live the experience in the boy bra 100%.
A boy bra.
Who's all kind of mystery?
Yes.
Miss Row. Oman penny, Minsada Minsayem. Why a 1 year, bay 2 months? Si form. A Miss Uncle for Netty so almost say. And I parliament from there, they say. Accelerated.
The finance ministry, they buy, you know.
Over crowd parliament. Say accelerated reserve accumulation policy document. You can was about me gold purchase program. No, they buy and no matter the dean for fraud. No, my Ghana flag. I told them they are better. Finance minister. No, the parliament. Take it. You go more dada no.
Abusafo wa watibi Mahama eye ntrofo kotoponi ode na aba nyina omudi ntro abanya ono nko a ene timi che nkokọ John Mahama nkwana timi che nkokọ a omo nipa oche ma omo no edo so sere nkokọ no. Eya sewo ye John Dariga. Dariga. Odete Dariga o ti.
The Ghana Statistical Services, over 1 million Ghanaians have found employment between Q1 and Q3 of 2025.
A few moments later.
Between the first and third quarters, employment increased by over 330,000 people.
If you lie, you will not go to heaven.
What they support to program. Whether no can say was Crofoway, Obekuyedo, pa. Said that them goose are making a higher Ras Media GH on YouTube. Here on YouTube. Your channel, our Facebook, friend Ras Media GH. Over to my subscribe now, but the number required as a my life, our Facebook. It's Ras Media GH on YouTube and Ras Media GH on Facebook. But also say me fa man for call to me fa to me fre na wonso no watch it watching. But me pese me ntro bibi video here de buy nei ba bia ni nyina free. Ewura na Addo pede bi atwam o ka asem bi kire Ghana fo a yamfa anya asem. Eno ho video na ne Ras Media metena konwa mu a me de bro ye ntie sha video no na ye ntwen enhwe se amanfo ebefra.
We have two people are the two leading contestants. Every decision that we'll make on Saturday will be one or other. The former president, the only one-term president in our history. Today, a narrative is being developed as if his period was some golden age of Ghanaian economic development, and that therefore it is on that basis that he wants to return, to continue that golden age. Oh, really? The golden age? You couldn't pay teachers training allowances? You couldn't pay nurses training allowances? Graduate Unemployment Association? 3.4% rate of growth, the slowest, the most sluggish for over a decade. We want to have to repeat that, and on top of it, of course, the killer of killers, Dumso, for 4 years. You couldn't keep the lights on. But we're told that we're now going to go into a 24-hour economy. I'm amazed by this statement. By somebody who couldn't keep the lights on for 24 hours, for 12 hours, is going to give us a 24-hour economy. With what power are we going to power this 24-hour economy when even 12 hours you can't keep the lights on? Nothing has happened to change the perception of this man. No policy, even the 24-hour policy that is being talked about. Up till now, we have not had any roadmap. Asked, what is it? Said, oh, the policy is in any event a voluntary one. What does that mean? When you have a voluntary policy by a government, what kind of a policy is that? Government makes policy and the population is meant to take it as voluntary. Then it's not policy. Policy is one thing that binds all of us. But you have that, a record of failure on one side, and which was well recognized by the people of Ghana, and that is why in 2016 they refused to allow him a second term. Against an individual who has been number two in a government that has worked, that has delivered a considerable amount across all aspects of our national life, who is determined to build on that and add more, who is saying that he's in the position to give us the leadership that is required for our country in this fourth age of industrial revolution, the fourth industrial revolution age. which is in fact strategically, geopolitically, the most important matter confronting us as a people at this time in our history. It is important for us to look above the parapet and ask ourselves what, who, and what will be best for our country at this given time. And I have no doubt in my mind that my vice president, who was with me 8 years in opposition, this man is well prepared today to be president.
Yes, I was young for you and Addo. And I yet in car. I am saying nobody is calling, so midimo ebesi hanom na ochina Yankopon eboye ma de pashe na etumi assign enemo ashia. I won't say we are not meeting all the days because this times there are some issues I have to solve them back home, at work and other things. So yeah, I'm not coming all the days, but I'm building every up. So that be meet to me about every day. So the end that na yetima toa ejuma pa no eso. Message say ne na your first time about channel we so a omo subscribe na fa won sesi adoma no so say the be me ba life bia na benyan kai bosema ba na wabebo amen na me no nyina aye show no. Sanso na message say onye dan Uba like the video we are mame, like mame na video no tumi nko na nim. Na adofo ne wuya no ma munyanya bi hwe so atimi nya bia hwe betumi ahye nso na atimi akọ akiri. Mame kan last message we ya bai. Na men church tiefo ne yemfa si minya na take kwabra say please na postel the running mate all the way. Amen. Amen. Oh, okay. Amen. Napo for Napo, no change. We maintain the people that has run already. Mimia Joseph said, how can you stand in front of such a poor man and lie to him? John Mahama has no shame at all. Yeah. Oye Mimia Joseph Boa. I mean, Falcon News, I mentioned Mimia Joseph Boa, and I tell you, Kwabena, Tony Yaboa Michel, fisherman. Michel, Mema Mr. K, but Michel Yepa, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, Affiliate Michel, Mema Me, Mia Banana, Queer Afro Michel, Sansuna, Anthony. Obiri yeboa mechiaw ye pa yiya ba ma adwoa sewa mechiaw ye Mr. Richard mechiaw me ya frempo mechiaw tadi mechiaw Joseph Bua wonso mechiaw kakari TV mechiaw me ya frempo ma mechiaw ye pa me dadofo nyina ase ene mo pre wa utumi comment ye wa oba hwe ye wa o like ye wa sabi o subscribe ye wa o don sesi adoma no so obibia mo am behwe me data nyina Meden Chakasian Yasidakasia, Emma Munina. Head on Bessia no chance to us. Until we meet again. Adios.